Have you ever wondered why there are different kinds of orgasms and how they all feel different from each other? Today, we're going to explore the science of orgasms, from the well-known clitoral and vaginal orgasms to some lesser-known varieties you may not have heard of. Scientific explanation. The clitoral orgasm comes from stimulation of the clitoris, a small but extremely rich network of nerves. There are over 8,000 nerve endings in the clitoris alone, making it the most sensitive spot in the human body. The vaginal orgasm, meanwhile, is related to stimulation of the vaginal walls, the G-spot, and even the cervix. Some say this kind of orgasm feels deeper and more diffuse, spreading through the pelvis. Other types of orgasms. But that's not all. There are other varieties of orgasms that people can experience, depending on their anatomy and preferences. 1. Anal orgasm, stimulating the anus and nearby nerves can produce a deep, powerful release. 2. Nipple or areolar orgasm. Some people find their nipples to be an erogenous zone. Touching or kissing them can sometimes lead to a nipple orgasm. 3. Cervical orgasm. The cervix has its own set of nerves, and deep penetration can produce a unique, overwhelming sensation. For multiple or blended orgasms, certain people can experience multiple orgasms in a row, or a combination, a blended orgasm, when different erogenous zones are stimulated at the same time. 5. Mental or fantasy orgasm. Some people can orgasm without physical stimulation at all, a pure imagination. A vivid fantasy or deep relaxation techniques can sometimes bring on a release. Why it happens? How is all this possible? The human body has a rich network of nerves, the pudendal, pelvic, and vagus nerves that carry signals to the spinal cord and brain. Depending on which nerves are activated and how they respond, we experience a whole spectrum of pleasurable sensations. From an evolutionary perspective, orgasms may have roles in bonding, relaxation, stress release, and even strengthening relationships. Final thoughts. Ultimately, there's no right or wrong way to experience an orgasm. Everyone's body is unique, and it's all about understanding yourself, communicating openly, and exploring safely and respectfully. If you'd like more insightful content about human sexuality, relationships, and health, make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more.